Reza Kabul, architect. Started the firm in 1988. I'm the principal architect. We are primarily based in Mumbai, and we're doing projects all over the globe. We have a team of 100 architects and interior designers in Mumbai. We have a branch office in Pune, and we went on to start another firm in the US by the name of Arc Studio West in the year 2013. I am the president there, and in India I am the director. We're doing all kinds of projects. We are doing hospitality, we are doing residential, we are doing commercial, retail, and we got into a lot of mixed use. Way back in 1988 when we started, we were from the old school. We did not know any computers. We came from the drafting board, the T-square and the set square with pencil and sketches and paper. In around 1990, AutoCAD came in and we started picking up with AutoCAD. At first we thought it was very difficult, and but then as we started learning it, as we started going along, we found it to be much more simpler than actually physically working with a drawing board and the pencil. Revit was first introduced to us in the year 2000. We tried at that point of time. The staff was not ready. They thought that Revit was not for India. So we started trying. We trained a few of them, but they didn't stay. They started moving on. They started going abroad. They went to the Gulf because Revit was more in use over there. But it was a couple of years back when we started doing a lot of mixed use, and the services that were involved, it had to be thought in 3D, because there were times when you used to go to the site and you used to see there were some pipes going through the beams, and there was last minute problems and the beam had to be opened up, or there would be an argument and you didn't think of this and that. So then we started thinking very seriously with the intricacy of the problems and everything. We started looking at Revit. We got a company who started training the whole team. The future team also that we are employing, we are insisting that they know Revit to come in. Majorly, we started Revit with our tower that we are doing in Sri Lanka. That is a 100-story tower. It's 363 meters, and it's a mixed-use building. So we have various users. That is, one is your retail, commercial, your auditoriums, multiplex, food courts, and we got residential there. We got some hospitality, and on the top we have a observatory deck where everybody can just go up to the city. The tourists that come into the city, it would be like a destination. You would come there and you would be going to the rooftop on the observatory to see the skyline of Sri Lanka. That's Colombo. So there are various users, and then on top we've got a cricket academy and cricket museum to commemorate the 1996 World Cup winners. When this project came in, there's a lot of complications, a lot of services, a lot of change of girders and everything that takes place since the grid changes. That's how we got into Revit, and now we are totally into it, and we are doing the project on Revit. With the coming of technology, we started going in for a lot of parametric designs or free-flowing designs, and to compute that, we are looking at Dynamo to plug in with Revit as the solution for the future. In years to come, we would be envisaging various complex projects which would have to be integrated with infrastructure like metro, underpasses, below buildings and existing services. ARC believes that BIM would help us overcome these challenges.